that any written book should have an audio version, so that the students who want to listen can listen to the message in the book. This could attract more readership than simply printed books. And most of the old books are all written, don't have the audio books. I also talked about reading culture. There is a challenge of reading, I think in Africa, not only in Uganda, that few people take interest in reading compared to the North. So it's important that we develop that culture of reading. I suggest reading competitions, I suggest more awareness campaigns to make the students read. It's now challenging that we have ICT, that people want to simply use the phones and access Google and are unable to read textbooks and get knowledge from the first principles. So it is important that we go back to the culture of reading so that students are able to understand. I also commented about the competence-based curriculum that is coming up, secondary school. Even in universities, we must get ready. We must have resources that match the competence-based curriculum. As we write books, we must be aware about this challenge. So I have called upon the academic community to think about having books, even to buy books that are related to competence-based curriculum. Since this is at secondary school level, we expect in 2 years this system to be in the university. So we are happy to be here. We have people from other universities, from Makerere University, from FCB, from Chambogo, and professionals in the Library Association. We hope this will.
We normally educate lecturers about this thing. We train them. We train students, both students and lecturers, about accessing the digital resources. We are in the digital era where we subscribe a larger volume of electronic resources. And these resources require certain level of skills. Skills like information literacy skills, such strategy skills. About the Library Week event, we have a series of activities which is going on. We started it yesterday, but today is our official launch. And along the week, we have a book exhibition or display. We shall have trainings along the week. Trainings on how to access resources, trainings on how to use the library resources. We shall have faculty library engagements. We shall be reaching faculties, different faculties, to seek for their information needs, because we are in the process of making the selection of the resources. So we normally do that faculty library engagement, and this is the time we do that such activities.